Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these pair of earrings. So let's get started. The materials that I'm going to be using are these 18 by 20 millimeter nugget bead. It's a very cool design. Headpins, little bead caps, and these earring hooks. The tools I'll be using are chain nose plier, this flash cutter, and this round nose plier. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is take my head pin, place a bead cap, place the bead, and I'm going to place another bead cap on top. We're going to start making our loop, so I'm just going to bend it 90 degrees. Like that. And now I'm going to cut to leave about 1 centimeter. So I'm going to take my flash cutter, cut about to leave 1 centimeter, and we're going to take out a round nose plier and make a loop. Just like that. We're going to open it with our chain nose plier, like a jump ring, to add in our earring hook. And we're going to close it back up. I just finished closing it, and this is how it looks like. I'm going to do the same thing with the other material I have to create just an earring like this one. There I have my 2 earrings. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please hit that like button. Comment down below if you have any suggestions on videos we could do on this channel about beading or crafts. And subscribe to watch more videos like this. Bye!